after we've got your account set up with a reference number, now you have the next step, which is to send us a SKU list. Basically, this is a list of all the products that you expect or anticipate to send back to us. Some of our clients like to just turn everything on and start sending us everything. Some clients like to ease into it with certain groups of products, first, second, and third. It's really up to you, and we'll discuss that in the beginning stages. Send us a SKU list. So we're looking for a product list, and then after that we also want to know a parts list or an accessory list. And the purpose for that is for us, because what we'll do is we'll set up basically a bill of material, but in this case we call it a worksheet, and it gives us a list of all the components that are going to be inside that package. And so let me just show you, I guess, a couple examples. Here's one example of a parts list, an accessory list of all the items that would be included in this package. And here would be another one. So it varies. Typically, if you've already listed this product on Amazon, you might have something like this. And so that is what we're looking for. So we're looking for you to send us in a parts and accessories list. Photos are very helpful. And then what we do is we create an inventory item for the SKU, and then also basically a bill of material, which we use as a worksheet. And here's an example I showed in another video. This worksheet will then be used to inspect and test that product once it's in. So we'll create one, and here's a worksheet for our demo item, Demo XL. And basically we will check off things that are missing or defective. And in this example, the home power supplies were missing or defective, and we pulled that off of the bill of materials or the accessory list. So that's the next step, is to get your products and accessories into our system.